Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn how to allow website public user portal user to submit a help desk ticket from the website side portal side, right? So for that we just need to install helpdesk application. So I just install and I have enabled developer mode, right, from settings and here from downside. And then if I go to help desk and here in configuration help desk teams, and here I can see these different teams. So this is customer care, right? So here we can see lots of like configuration how to visible, right? So here if we go help center, we can see this option website form, right? So we can see this option, and I just checked this, and I can set up here on which website my website help desk form to visible, right? So I just selected this my website one. I just click save, and if I go to the website side, let's say here is the admin side, I can just see this page and I can confirm the details. Let's say if I click here help, you can see this form. So what we need to just verify, because this form will automatically configure all these fields required, right? Everything we just need to see here that which website like help desk team to set. So here customer care for this my company San Francisco, and we just see here all these fields. This is a star, it means mandatory fields: customer phone, email, company name, subject, right, and the description file to attach. So all this information we can see here, right? And if I just let's say log out with the current user, let's say, and now if I go to help and here test customer phone number, email, company, test company, let's say laptop uh, brightness issue, my laptop brightness not visible correctly, please check as priority, right? And I can like attach any files, right? And I can submit these tickets. So I can see this is the ticket number. Now if I log in with admin user, and I can see the tickets created, right, and assigned in the specific team. Let's say it's 32, right? So this is, you can see maybe 33. Yeah, this one. So you can see this tickets already created, right? Customer already created this phone, everything, right? So this is how we can simply like create a website side ticket creation, right? So this is how we just configured from team, right? Here this is the option, we just need to select website, and the form will automatically create at website side. We just need to configure like verify if anything need to change. Let's say here if I go to this form, let's say this is the form, right? If I want something like I want a new field, let's say a new field here, let's say as a priority, right? So if I want to add a priority field, so it will automatically created with these options and customer can select, right? So this is how this website side help desk ticket submission form we can activate, right? I hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you very much.